So today's video is for all those people that watch competitive shooting and they look at how expensive it is and they don't know what they're doing and they're worried that they'll look like a fool. Well, today I am going to my first ever precision rifle shoot. It happens to be for .22 long rifle. I got in like 3 o'clock in the morning this morning, slept for a little bit, went out and found a heavy barreled rifle that we bought for 175 bucks. It's a Remington, what is that thing? Remington VTR 597, and we're running a $25 cheapo Cabela's scope, and I have no idea what to expect, no idea what we're gonna do. I have cheap Winchester white box from Walmart ammo, and I'm gonna go make a fool of myself, but I guarantee you it's gonna be fun. Alright, so we got 3 shots.
3 shots.
And what are we? Yardage? Is this one 75 also?
I think it's
76.
84.
So now I can miss at 84 instead of 75. And then one shot, move on whether you hit it or not, correct? And then end with trying to split the card.
What?
We end with trying to split the card. All right, at the beginning of the video, I said I was shooting Winchester ammo. That was incorrect. It's this Federal Target Grade Performance. It actually shot very well. Way better than I myself could shoot. This is the rifle we used. I told you it was 175 bucks. I also lied, it was 275 bucks. The scope, on the other hand, was actually $24.99, and it really didn't do too bad. I don't know if you could see the reticle in there or not. But it's supposed to be 25, 50, and 75 yards on them hash marks. It was awesome. So we learned some stuff today. Some of the stuff that we learned is the Ruger Precision 22 rifles is definitely a gun that everybody shoots. I mean, pretty much everybody. Damn near everybody had a Ruger Precision. But I looked up this thing, and online right now, they're about 350 to 389 bucks without an optic. And that Ruger Precision, I've seen them for, was it $359 to $399. If you're paying more than that, just look a little bit harder because they're everywhere for $399. I would probably go with the Ruger Precision just because it has an adjustable stock, adjustable trigger, all that stuff. I don't know that they actually shoot a whole lot better, but a better trigger makes you shoot better. The barrels are comparable. This one's only 16 inch, and I think those were 18, I believe. We didn't get nearly as much video as we wanted to because it was cold as crap, and the wind was blowing like crazy, batteries were dying. It just didn't work out real well, and I was having so much freaking fun that I wasn't paying attention to the camera, so I missed a whole bunch of cool stuff. They had a bunch of different stages set up. There was only 27 shooters. Shouldn't say only. It was the first match they ever held, so 27 shooters was pretty good. I think the winner had 83 points. I was 25th out of 27 with 34 points, so I didn't do real good. But if anybody's afraid of going out and trying it, just do it, because it is freaking awesome. And shooting sports isn't like football. You go out there and the best shooter out there wants you to be better. They'll help you with everything. There was all kinds of people out there that offered to let you use their gun. There was, I think there were 4 guys that were sharing a rifle. Even if you don't have a gun, go check one out. Look at the stuff that they have. Gun guys like to show off their guns, so they'll brag about their triggers and scopes and mounts and bipods and suppressors and everything else, so you can get any information you want. None of it's a secret. It's just really freaking cool. The number one thing that I like about this 22 precision shooting is you can barely buy a stock for a precision rifle for what you can get in a 22 rifle and a really nice optic. Then we shot, I think they said we shot 120 rounds today, which costs you, what, $12, I think is what they were saying, it roughly, if you bought the fancy ammo instead of this cheap stuff. And you go out and shoot 120 rounds at these other matches. Granted, you're not shooting the same distance, but the skill level seems to be the same. It's just as much fun. It's not as loud, and you're not shooting $1.50 a shot. So you can go out and spend the whole day, pay your $20 entry fee, and I mean, you're out less than 50 bucks. You go out and shoot there, I mean, it's gonna cost you $200. So go try it. It's awesome.